Have not been to the aquarium in ages. Hoping they have some cool exhibits and some of the classic favorites, the jellyfish, the sea otters. I'm actually starting the road trip off with breakfast in the car. Breakfast pudding. It's got coconut milk at the bottom with chia seeds, puree mango with maple syrup and lime. It is actually really delicious and super refreshing. It has a nice blend of sweetness and tartness, and those chia seeds give it some nice texture. I'm gonna link this in the description below. Definitely try and make this at home. Man, I'm usually not super into these types of breakfast foods, but man, that was really delicious. I found more goodies in the ice chest. This is a chocolate chip cookie dough energy bite, and it's made of cashew butter apparently, and maple syrup, and almond meal, and chocolate. I said chocolate chips.
No bake.
Oh, it's no bake too.
5 minutes.
You can do it in 5 minutes, as you heard. As easy in 5 minutes or less. Oh, look at that. It's like eating chocolate chip cookie dough. It's so healthy. Wow. Oh yeah. Little glimpse on what they look like. If you work out, like to lift weights, do long runs, these are perfect. I feel the energy already. Also, we'll link the recipe for this in the description below. I've never seen it move before. Oh, wow. What's for dinner tonight? Eel, lobster. Whoa! Oh, here we go.
Right after the
It's like butter. I've always loved everything about the ocean, so coming here as a kid, it was just so exciting. I came here down here to see when they had a great white shark. That was awesome. Just real happy to be able to share this experience with my own kids. They're having a heck of a good time right now. What are you doing? Oh, you're making it move? Didn't take any video of lunch because lunch was so-so. It was a seafood place. Not a lot to write home about, but Wayne got this beast of a almond croissant with powdered sugar It looks really good.
Looks like a poop, Dad.
Looks like a poop? What do you mean it looks like a poop? Wow. Well, it doesn't taste like poop. It's actually really delicious. Mmm. Inside is buttery moist. And the outside got that nice crunchiness on it. And the best part, that powdered sugar. Go get yourself one of these. So good. Got the Korean barbecue, appetite fried chicken, and tofu soup. Probably gonna get one of those. And likely a noodle dish as well. Yum. Beef cold noodles. Buckwheat noodles. Always one of the favorites to order when I'm going out for Korean food. Forgot my tripod today, so I'm winging it. Super good. Meat is cool and tender, nice and tender. Noodles are soft, slight chew to them. Ooh, fried chicken. We have some KFC as well. Korean fried chicken. Nice and hot.
You want chicken? You want chicken with me?
Going with the regular, I guess you could say original recipe KFC. Korean fried chicken. Oh god. Like fish and chips, light and crispy. Man. Salt and pepper. There's not a ton of flavor, but the texture and the crunch makes up for it. Clean Bone Club. Ended up getting 2 orders of KFC by accident. We meant to get a half and a half order, but got 8 and 8, which is 8. Now we gotta get our chicken on even more, which is totally fine. Honey garlic. This is a big old drumette here. Wow. Garlicky. Little hit of spice there. A little punch. Juicy. Super tasty looking plate of Galbi here. Can't wait to dive into this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Awesome marinade. Yeah, the marinade on this. Not too salty. Super flavorful. This is on point. This is really on point. Just the right amount of sweetness, just the right amount of saltiness. I actually love this little bit, the little bone, the chewiness on it, that cartilage-like texture. And the fat. Hansung is located in a strip mall in Milpitas, so it's definitely a little hidden gem. So check it out. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like it and hit that subscribe button. That's a wrap. Peace, grub, and happiness to y'all. I'll see you next time.